Hey, it's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. We're here at the MSP Expo. It's part of the IT Expo TECHSUPERSHOW, and we're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It's February 2026. Paul Redding is with us. He's with NinjaOne. Paul, how are you?
Doing well. How are you?
Fantastic, fantastic. Really thrilled to have you. You've been a big part of the show. I want to hear all about it. You spoke. I want to hear what you spoke about. I want to hear about your company. So let's start at the top. What does your company do?
So NinjaOne is automated endpoint and IT management. We're unified IT management if you really want to break it down. So everything from the actual endpoint that's the computer all the way out to all the connected devices, network monitoring and management, and then of course we have a full backup solution that starts at the endpoint and goes all the way out to your SaaS applications.
So really soup to nuts, really helping organizations stay secure, right?
Unified IT security and management, that's right, all under one pane of glass.
So AI has been a massive, I'm going to say disruptor for everything and everybody, and we know in cybersecurity it's been a big challenge. Tell me how that's affecting your business.
Well, NinjaOne, I'm proud to say, has actually moved into AI, I would say cautiously. We think that there's a lot of people out there that have jumped ahead, and God bless them for doing a beta test for all of us, but there's a lot of risk associated with that. So what we've done is we've brought AI into things like patching sentiment that helps human beings make better decisions, but we're not handing over the management of all these solutions to some LLM or some AI brain, at least not yet, right?
Great. Yeah, no, I agree. I think that's fantastic. And in terms of new products or anything that's on the horizon you're allowed to talk about, can you share anything?
Well, so I mean, last year I think we added about 1,000 new features. We have multiple major releases throughout the year. One I'm personally really excited about is going to be our vulnerability management, which will bring in some AI as well to help you identify critical vulnerabilities that exist within these systems. And that's going to eliminate a whole layer of complexity for MSPs and IT shops that are trying to deal with that stuff and having to use third party. I mean, the reality is we have the data. Now we're going to make use of that.
Great. Great. And in terms of your customers, when they come to you, right, there are choices. It's a competitive space. Why do they choose NinjaOne over others?
Well, first and foremost, at least for me, I think it's our culture and support. NinjaOne is a massive organization still held privately by two people that believe that culture and especially the MSP-first mentality is something that can never go away from NinjaOne. And that to me is really powerful. As a former MSP, the way that I have always consumed is culture first. Do I want to work with this organization? Do I think these people in this organization have my best interests at heart? Now, is it the right product for me? Because if you don't get past the first, you never get to the second. But when it comes to product, our solution was not built in 2005, carrying all this tech debt with it, right? We were cloud first and out front. So we don't have some kind of like legacy on-prem tech that every time we have to update, we have to like drag into the modern era, which makes us much more nimble and able to add better features faster.
Anything else we should know?
NinjaOne is now a proud sponsor of the Audi F1 team. So we just launched that. We're going to be doing a lot with Audi globally throughout the year. And that's something we're really, really proud of. It's been a long time in the works, and we couldn't be happier to see the Audi car say NinjaOne as it wins first place at the next race.
Congratulations. How do people learn more about you?
Just go to ninjaone.com, or you can always reach out to me directly. I don't have any problem with people having my email. That's just paul.redding@ninjaone.com, and the MSP channel. I'm at least one of the throats to choke.
Thanks for being here.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for having me. It's been a great show.